Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to share about my experience of spirituality and how I came into spirituality and how this changed my life and why I believe into this kind of thing into my life. Okay, so I'm going to divide this video into two parts. This is the first part and second part I'm going to release after a few days because otherwise this video is going to be very much longer. So my first spiritual journey I came across about 4 to 5 years ago when I was dealing with so much anxiety, so much depression, so much I was suffering from so much anger issues. I used to be angry at every small things. I used to um angry over my own parents, my siblings, for every little things. Okay, and meditation helped me a lot. Doing meditation is like help to calm my mind, and still also in today's time also I do meditation daily for nearly about 10 to 15 minutes daily. I try to do it, and yeah. So first spiritual experience I had in my life when I tried to do law of attraction. Okay, I tried to apply law of attraction into my life, and I'm going to you know tell about my law of attraction practice, my first law of attraction practice into separate video. I just want to tell you that 4 to 5 years ago I was searching for job. I was searching for job, and I needed a job desperately. Okay, and I saw many videos in YouTube. From there, I came to know about law of attraction. So I tried to apply it. I tried to apply scripting about my job, and for few days I didn't get any kind of result. Okay, but one sentence I repeatedly writing about is that actually that time when I was searching for job, it was nearly about Durga Puja. Okay, and before that I write just one sentence that I got a job, and this is a gift from my universe. Okay, I just stretch my whole energy into just one sentence that I got a job, and this is a gift from the universe. So I forgot about it and I let go. I don't know what kind of feeling came into my mind and my stomach. That kind of butterfly effect came into your stomach that very well that something is very good is going to happen in your life. And trust me, in the like Navami, I went to a shop with my mom to pendle hopping, and I entered a shop and the shopkeeper gave me a job. Okay, I knew that shopkeeper, I knew that the owner of the shop beforehand, so he gave me the job, and I immediately joined that job from the next day, like from the summit, and that's how I came to know about that. You know that whatever you think, whatever you say, is really true. Okay, that is creates some kind of energy. It creates some kind of vibration to the universe, and universe is hearing you, listening to you at every moment, every second of your life. So that's how I got to know about God, universe, or any superpower you about to believe. Okay, that it is exists in your life. Okay, the second spiritual experience I had is that I was going through a very tough phase in my life. It was, I think, uh, after that, I guess, after this job, 1 year, I guess, later than 1 year, I I was doing a job in a private organization, and hardly I worked there 3 to 4 months. Okay, and I don't know, suddenly my boss fired me from my job. Okay, without telling me anything, without giving me a notice. I also made a video about this. Okay, in my previous, you can check it out. So but one person was there. He was best friend of the owner, and he assured me to give me job within 1 month. Okay, he told me that no, don't worry. I don't know why my friend did it to you. I'm truly apologize to you for his behavior, but trust me, you are very talented, and you are going to get lots more opportunity in your life. And trust me, within 1 month, he gave me two job opportunities. Okay, but I couldn't uh, you know I couldn't able to uh, accept it because some of the personal problem, like the job location was very much far away from my home, and it was not very safe to do job, okay, at that location. Otherwise, I'm really thankful for that person wherever he is right now in his life. I just want that he is having a great in life in his life. Okay, he should be happy. May God uh, showers all the loves and abundance to his life. Okay, so that's how you know things work out. Okay, when you lose hope in your life, universe sending some person or some of the help in your life that it's going to work out. Okay, so yeah, this is some of my spiritual experiences I have. And so I want to tell you that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share to friends, family members, and please do subscribe to my channel. And so yeah, until then, bye bye, take care.